Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Slack using Passkeys, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Slack using Passkeys, first, ensure your Slack account is set up for Passkey authentication. Visit the Slack login page and enter your username or email address. Click on the option to log in, and you'll be prompted for your password. Instead of entering your password, look for the option that says Use Passkey. Select the Use Passkey link to proceed. If you have not registered a passkey yet, you'll be directed to a setup page. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a passkey. This often includes using biometric authentication like fingerprint or facial recognition. Once the passkey is created, you will receive a confirmation message. Return to the Slack login page after setting up your passkey. Enter your email address again and click the Use Passkey option. A prompt will appear, asking you to authenticate using your chosen biometric method. Follow the prompts to complete the passkey authentication process. If successful, you will be securely logged into your Slack workspace. Ensure you're aware of your passkey management options for future access. In case of any issues, revisit the Slack Help Center for troubleshooting resources. Once logged in, start using Slack's features with enhanced security. Regularly check for any updates regarding passkey usage on Slack's platform. Make sure your device settings enable passkey authentication for a seamless experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.